Welcome back. In this video, we're making chicken Aurora. Season 3 eggs with salt, pepper, and parsley. Grab 2 chicken breasts. Dredge the chicken in flour. Dip it into the eggs. Finally, the breadcrumbs pressing to adhere. Pour a 1/4 inch of oil into a frying pan. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Into a clean pan, heat 1/2 tablespoon of butter and a little bit of oil over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, 1/2 a shallot, a 1/4 cup of onions, season with some salt and pepper. Once the onions are soft, deglaze with a 1/4 cup of vodka. Then add 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Simmer on low heat for 45 minutes. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream, a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of sugar, some chopped asparagus, and a 1/4 cup of pasta water. Broil a few slices of mozzarella cheese over your chicken cutlets. Pour the sauce over some rigatoni pasta. Add the chicken on top. And there we have it, chicken Aurora. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.